Hey, good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning. We are live. Good morning, Trading Ever After. NP, good morning. Sam Owen, good morning. R5 Studios, Go and Trades, good morning. Let's get it going, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Amelia, good morning. Jack Wiley, good morning. All right, market is about to open. Looks like it's got a little bit of a looking bullish once more. Look, let's see if we just pump at the open. It looks, I mean, the overnight session um was beautiful. Overnight session was beautiful. Hey, payout already hit the bank, Kid Poker. That's what we like to hear. Love it, love it. That's awesome. That is good to hear. Good to hear. Good morning, Dario Trader. UCLA Trades, good morning. Timbo, good morning. Peter Schapp, Larry Hudo, Mr. Wall Street, good morning. Nathan Ramirez, Josh, good morning, Josh. Smash that like button. That's right. Good morning. Can you say something about if I should do 50, 100, or 150K Apex? I would do 50 UCLA trades. In my opinion, I would do 50. I think it's just easier. Wow, we are open and we are pumping this thing higher immediately. Wow. Let's see if it keeps going here. We are at the 21,000s, guys. 21,000 already. Look at this. Daily chart. We're only about 90 points away from all-time highs. We are getting very, very close to all-time highs. I mean, it's kind of crazy to think we won't get there today. So, we might witness history today, folks. Make sure to stay tuned. Good morning, Black Coffee Trader. Sean, good morning. Good morning. Here's Johnny. You're in? Let's go, Johnny. Let's go. Just requested my first payout with you, Profit. Okay, let's go, Black Coffee. Congratulations. You know what? This is our first one of the day. Here we go. Let's go, Black Coffee, with a payout. You love to see it. How you doing? All right, market is at the 21,000s and continuing to go. There she goes. There she goes. 21,000. Here come the 40s. There ain't no stopping it. There ain't no stopping it.
Order filled.
Wow, what a rip higher right at the open. I actually thought we'd get a pullback at the open. Usually when we have an overnight session where we just grind higher, usually we have a bit of a dip lower right at the open, but not today. Not today. It is ripping this thing higher now. 21,040 and going. I can't even get in.
Order filled.
21,000. See, we get through the 50s here. 45s. See, we get through the 50s. It's tempting here to just jump in, but I know better. What a move. What a move this morning.
Order filled.
Now we wait. Let's see if we get the 40. We need to get above the 50s, but I want to see a pullback. We got to get a pullback here. Why is my... All right, getting a pullback. How big is that pullback going to be? 21,135. Yeah, I agree. I agree, DL. Okay, what is with my... keep getting asked to be signed into this Stream Deck, and it's annoying me. What is going on here? Okay, here comes the pullback. Here comes the pullback. All right. I don't want this just to hold. See if we get a big... Is this really just going to rip straight up now? Oh my goodness. Yeah, we might... I really hope this is not one of those days where I want the slow grind higher. I want a slow grind to the all-time highs. I don't want just a massive green candle that I don't even have a chance to get in. But that might be what happens here. Hey, how we doing, John? Good morning. Good morning, John. Let's go. Wow. Yeah, it's just going to keep going. We got a little bit of a pullback down to the 21,020s for a brief second. And then just ripperooski. Well, I guess that's okay. It is what it is. Man, look at this thing go. Oh, man. All right, 21,060s and climbing. All right, we just be patient. We got to wait for a pullback, and then we're going to jump on and hope it's not a fake out. Did you guys catch this move? You want 21,100? Yeah, I agree. I think we're going to get there sooner rather than later. I might not even be able to get in on this. I mean, look at this. There it goes, just continuing to rip higher. Up to the 70s now. Man, for those of you that are long, congratulations. If you got long right here at the open, or if you got long here right at this little dip, congratulations. That's a nice move. The market is celebrating Trump. Yeah, I think so. We also have FOMC minutes today at 2. That is going to be really, really interesting. I'm really curious to see how this market will react. Initial short and Wall Street. I like the way you trade Wall Street. I can't trade that way, but I respect it. I respect it. I'm sorry, here's Johnny. Hey, I haven't had a Apex payout in quite some time. I'm just, you know what? My goal is to get one more Apex payout on all of these accounts by end of the year. If I get one more until end of the year, I'll be happy. But we need to make $4,000 on these accounts before we can get a payout. So it's gonna be an uphill. It's gonna take some time. The rate we're going, we're gonna take it nice and steady, nice and slow. I turned 2K into 16K with Trump. Let's go, Ryan. Oh, that's crazy. Was that using your own money? That's awesome. I love it. I love it. Meanwhile, other people took 16K and turned it into 2K. You know that happened somewhere. Those people, we're not hearing about those people. All right, up to the 80s. I mean, we might as well just go up through the 2100s. Why not? I mean, just massive green candle here. Ugh, this does give me FOMO when I don't just. These are times where I wish I would trade the open, because this little dip buy, I would have so been on it. And I'm kind of frustrated because I didn't pull the trigger on my UProfit account either. Oh well, let's move on. We can we'll get more opportunities today. Don't worry. We will get more opportunities. 21,080s. Here we go. I mean, this is just, there is no stopping this train. Completely straight up. 21,112 is the next pivot point. Yeah. All right, let's see. We got to the 92s. Let's see. Let's see if we can rip up through that 100. Give me a nice pullback. Payout approved yesterday and hit the bank today. Let's go, Max 90. Let's go, guys. Here we go. This is for you, Max 90. Let's go. Payout approved and already hit the bank. Boom. You would love to see it. Too big to rig, too big to fail. Yeah, Samo, have you ever considered using the 15-second time frame? No, I just can't. It's weird, but my brain has memorized the price action for the 2-minute chart, and I can't do anything else. Like, it doesn't compute with my brain. Everything in my brain has registered as a 2-minute chart, and if I start seeing something else, I start to hyperventilate. Can't do it. You need 95? Okay, Matty Matt, let's go. We have faith. All right, getting a deeper pullback here. Getting a deeper pullback. This is where it gets dangerous. We can go to 2 micros. I would feel okay with that.
Order filled.
Just gonna be patient. Order field. Oh, yeah. Yeah, Mr. Wall Street. I'm trying to get in. I'm trying to get in on this. It's on my U profit. All right, guys. I need a better entry signal here. Just come on. Hmm. What time is it? Okay, we have put in the opening range high. So 15-minute opening range high is all the way up here. All the way up here at the 192s. Will it hold? Join for a scalp. All right. Thing is, with these, it can get so violent. But I would say if we get to here, this is where I enter. Yeah, we might go lower. Looks like we are going lower. Just everybody hold. All right, now we gotta wait. A little deeper pullback here. I don't want to jump in here too early, but what am I trading? This is NQ. The Nas crack, as we call them. . All right, we're in. I'm going to take this. We're not getting that pump that I wanted. I wanted that thing to be ripping. Not looking great. Not looking good. Looks like we're going to get... This is not going to work. Maybe. Come on now. Push through. Push it. Come on. Come on. You can do it. All right, boys, let's go. All right, now we just need to get a nice rip higher here. I'm going to try to hold for the hundreds. Target for the hundreds. And we're just going to have our stop. Uh-oh. Looks like we might be getting a fake out. I don't know. I'm just going to keep my stop right here, and what happens, happens. What happens, happens. Definitely feels like the momentum has left the building. Yeah, I agree, trading after. It's starting to look kind of weak. It's starting to look a little bit weak here. We just got to get a push above that 70, then above the 80s. We need a push. Right now, it's just kind of weak. We'll take a small L here. If this pulls back, we'll just take a small L. It's not that big of a deal. Okay, right here, go. Push it above the 70s. Come on, let's go. It's definitely looking like it's a grind. Come on, big green boner candle. Give it to me. You can do it. Push it. Push it. There you go. Come on. This thing needs to keep going. Needs to keep going. Ribbit. Man, it's struggling. It's struggling. Come on, market. Just take us up through the 21,100s. Just do it. You know you want to do it. You might as well do it now. You know you want to do it. Stop teasing us and just get it over with. Oh, man. All right, I give up. It just can't get above that 70s. Let's hope for a better entry here. If we get a bigger pullback. Okay, this goes now. I didn't think this through. And I'm still in a trade. Come on. This might be a bad. That was possibly a terrible idea. It might go choppy here. It might go choppy. Market needs to create a level to the upside. It's going to do, just give it time. Yeah, I think we might go sideways here. And I should have held. That was stupid of me. There was no reason to kill that trade. But I did it anyway. Now it's going to go to the 21,100s. If you're still in, you're welcome. And just keep holding. We're definitely going to go to the 100s now. For sure. Take it to the bank. Write it down. It's a sure thing. It's going to happen. Encore, 80% discount. Yes. If you use code NBT, you will get 80% off on any Apex evals. 1 day to pass is still going on as well. All right, 184s here. Just go ahead and punish me. Go ahead. Go ahead and punish me. I deserve it. Why am I doing that? Why am I getting out here? That's so dumb. Especially with one micro. Especially with one micro. There was zero reason to panic out of that trade. Zero reason. But it's okay. We'll get more opportunities today. Let's see. Let's see if we make new highs. We need to get above the 92s here. Oh, this is going to be an ugly recap looking at this price. Ay, 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 ay. All right, boys, you're welcome. 21,095, 96. It is coming, the 100s. You are welcome. Yours truly just made this happen. Hey, Kellyanne in the building. Good morning, Kellyanne. How we doing? How are we doing? There you go. 21,100s. Ay, 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 ay. That is some terrible trading. I hate when I do that. Hey, let's go, Matty Matt. Yep. You fumbled that trade too, Matty Matt? Well, I did too, so 1 day to pass. You're gonna go short trading ever after? Hey. That's good luck, sir. It would have been my best day ever, really. Matty Matt, how are you doing, Matty Matt, with walking away? Any kind of Wait, futures trading with Kellyanne. You're eating breakfast from Florida vacation. You're in Florida, Kellyanne? Don't tell me. I'm in Florida. I chickened out too early. Look at my trade. Look at this. Oh, that's so pathetic. Actually, I don't even want to talk about it. It's okay. It's okay. We're going to get more opportunities. 21,100. Wows. Wows. NBT and Kellyanne meetup. You watch the 15-minute opening range. I trade off that first 3-minute bar. Oh, you do? Wait, John, are you saying that you do kind of a 3-minute opening range? Oh, I see that. I see that. I see. That's interesting. I can see what you, yeah, I see what you mean. I mean, I had zero reason to get out of that trade. It's just, there's no excuse. 130 should produce a short scalp. Yeah, exactly, John. Honestly, I mean, I mean, my stop should have been below here and I should have just held. There is zero reason to get out here. It just is what it is. Mistakes were made. Mistakes were made. As we just continue to go higher, up at the 110s now. 110s. All right, we got to look at, I'm trying to think, do we want to be aggressive? Being aggressive on these little pullbacks. No, it's very true, John. I get it. That's a good point. I mean, like I've always said, I struggle, I struggle trading the open. Like 9:30 to 10 is a real issue for me. And it's not just on my Apex accounts. I've noticed even when I'm trading my U-Profit accounts or back when I was trading Top Step, if I didn't lock myself out before the market opened, like that's usually where I would incur my biggest losses, is at that open from 9:30 to 10:15. It's just weird because I know a lot of people make all their money at 9:30 to 10 o'clock. Like that's where they make their money. But for some reason, I don't really know. I'm not sure why, but I just can't do it. I'm not sure why it is, but it's okay. I mean, I just got to learn not to trade it, really. That's my thing. Hey, Mark NQ, good morning. I traded one micro lot and made $200. Let's go. That's awesome. That is awesome. Yeah, scared money don't make money. I know. I know, Ricky Rich. Trust me. Is each account one activation fee, Encore? Yes, that is correct. $85 one-time lifetime fee. So just once, you pay it once and you're done. All right, let's look. I want to see a little bit on the 4-hour chart. I mean, we're going to have some resistance up here at the 21, at the 150s maybe. I guess 130s, yeah, at the 130s. But, I mean, there's really not much up there. There's not much up there that that's gonna prevent this from just making new all-time highs. But we shall see. Can we use Replicanto to trade Apex and other accounts? RS? Yes, you can. Now, Replicanto only works with NinjaTrader, so you can have multiple connections through NinjaTrader, but the key thing to remember, you can only have one rhythmic connection. So you can have one rhythmic connection, but then your other connections have to be Tradeovate. So then you can tie your Tradeovate accounts. You know, you can be trading 4 or 5 Tradeovate accounts and one rhythmic accounts and copy trade all of them together. $85 once and you're done if you don't blow it. Facts. Facts. Once and I do hope. My goal is to keep my Apex accounts, my 15 I have. I want to keep those for the rest of the year. That's my goal. All right, here we go. Let's see if we get above that 115, 110 area and then up through the 130s. I am not going to buy all the way up here. I just hate, I mean, I know we got a little pullback here, but I do not like this kind of pullback. We need a bigger pullback before we jump in again. All right, there we go. 115s. One through the 110s. Can it keep going? Kellyanne, let's go. Hey, Kiss Me I Cooked. How you doing? How you doing, bud? Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing well. Is Apex permanently on the 1 day to pass an 85 lifetime? I mean, at this point, I'm kind of assuming that's the case. I think, but I don't know for sure. Oh, there we go. Through the 120s. Up through the 120s now. I am so disgusted that I got out of that trade. Jeez. It does get scary buying all the way up here. It does. But if you're buying all the way up here, it's working. Up 200 on the trade, still holding. Let's go, Black Coffee. Let's go. If I'm leaving Apex, no, nope, we're still here. Or why? I don't know. Yeah, what makes you say that? How many points is NQ up this week? Actually, we gotta be getting close. Yeah, we're officially 1,100 points from the lows here. We're at 1,100 point move higher. That's crazy. That is crazy. Wow. Jeez. Jeez. Hey, no, you're good, McGregor. Hope there are better opportunities coming. Too scared to buy at this level. I know, right, Norman? I mean, I don't think there's anything wrong. I mean, I'm waiting. I'm going to wait for a bigger pullback. But if I get one, I got to trust it and get in and hold on. Follow the plan. Just follow it. Don't try to predict the market. All right. Are we going to get a pullback? Looks like it. All right. Down to the 101. Maybe we test the 100s again here. Man, I gotta say, it is not looking good for FTT. I was in their Discord for a little bit, I just don't. Is it really? This isn't even giving me an entry. But man, I was in there. I was in their Discord there for a little bit, and man, I feel bad. Oh, it's starting to be just very, very bad. I mean, now Scott is just going missing in action, and now all the promised pay by dates aren't happening. Their merchant processor is freezing their accounts because they're getting so many chargebacks. Like it is at this point going to take I think in order for FTT to survive, they're going to have to get bought out by someone else. I think that's the only way they are going to survive. They are not going to survive the way they're going, because who in their right mind is buying FTT accounts right now other than Damn Good Trading? He's the only guy that's still buying accounts and telling people to buy accounts. But does someone in here, okay, someone in here, does someone in here have contact with 100 lot? I'm sure some of you know him. Hey, Scott is running. The question is, how much did he take with him? Hey, Gianna, how we doing? Good morning. We're doing okay, but I did it. I traded terribly this morning. I had a terrible trade this morning. It's one of those trades where you make money, but peanuts. You make $12 and you chickened out. It's the worst kind of trade. I actually would prefer to just have a loss than a trade like this. I'm just not going to buy all the way up here. It sounds crazy, but I'm not doing it. It's the worst feeling, I know. Scott with the largest payout in FTT to himself. I'm sorry, that is not funny. Yeah, Maximus. I mean, it's just inevitable. My Apex payouts were approved and sent to the bank within hours. Oh, let's go. Here, this is for you, Equalizer. Another payout approved and paid out. I love it. Right now for Apex, my biggest thing is with Apex right now, I wish, like, I pray. Right now there's a lot of questions around the probation. Like, all of you that are in probation, I did my part. I tried as much as I could to get some answers, and there is nothing I can do anymore. I basically got, I'm not even sure how to call it, but let's just say, I'm not even sure how to say it, but I've been told to shut up, pretty much. I've been yelling about things too much. I'm just trying to help, but, I guess I caused more problems than needed. But it's all right. All right, are we going to make new highs? Of course we are, because I'm not in. Wow. Wow. Hey, good morning, Matthew. I heard they're working on direct-to-funding. That is true, Matthew. Supposedly, direct-to-funding is coming to Apex in the next month. We should, you know what, we should send pizza to Apex support staff. Oh, man. You're crossing your fingers there will be an Apex 90% sale on Black Friday. I guess if we're ever going to get another 90% sale, that is maybe where it will happen. So that might might have a point. All right, guys, I need to call someone. I need to call someone. Give me a second. All right, we are back. Okay, we're getting a little deeper pullback here. Huh. This is interesting. Oh man, I missed it.
Order
All right,
submitted.
I'm gonna get in on this if I get filled. And we're
Order
in.
submitted.
All right. All right, now we wait. We are not going to get out of this trade early this time. Famous last words. And now it's going to rip lower. Go figure. Ugh, come on. Come on. Come on, Bulls. Rip this thing higher. You can do it. Hang on, I got to take this call. Okay, we're back. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Come on, fill me on the first target here, would you please? How close was this to filling? Nah, not really that close. Come on, break through. Please. Please. Hey, Expander 4, how we doing? Come on, market. Yeah, I agree. I agree, Expander 4. Oh, come on. Anyone Apex under review? Yeah, under review is not that unusual. No, I'm trading 4 micros here. Come on, market. Just go, would you please? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We just got to break above. If we break up through the... Come on. Push. Trap the shorts right here. Do it. Need one nice push through here and we can... And we'll be good. Just struggling to get through this. Ugh. Oh, man. It's gonna do it to me, huh? Come on, market. Why are you like this? I mean, I love those long wicks. I like the long wicks. Give me those long wicks. Now go, baby. Come on. Give me that green. I want to see green. Above the 120s. It's gonna make me beg. It's gonna make me beg. Oh, man. Please, market. Please. I beg of you. Pop it. Right here. Pop it. Oh, my goodness.
Order filled.
Boom. Let's go. Come on now. Just rip it. Rip it, baby. Rip it. Oh, it's testing my patience. It is testing my patience here. I mean, it's pointless to move my stop to break even here because I might as well just take the trade off. We just gotta wait. We gotta wait. We gotta be patient. We trade like we're watching a game or something. We actually do. But man, this of course we enter right in the chop because we love punishment. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Come on, just go. Maybe we need to blow on it. Here, this is what's happening. Come on. Come on, Mark. Why you be like this? Why you be like this? Something is going to give here in the next 4 minutes. It is either going to pop and rip through the highs here, or it is going to drop down below this opening range high. It's going to, the next 2 minutes, I'm calling it right here. I'm calling it. FTT folded up. I don't know. Is it actually official? Oh no, what happened? What happened? Did FTT actually close? No shot. No way. Man, I'm trying to get evidence here. Unbelievable. It is actually confirmed. FTT is officially shutting down. Unbelievable. And as we hear that, we get stopped out. Okay. Oh man, that is unbelievable. I want to hear what damn good trading. Where are you at? That guy there should be ashamed of himself. All right, we're about to get stopped out here. Feels bad. I knew this was gonna, we were either going to rip low. I guess we can be content. We can be happy that we at least got our target filled. We got our initial target filled.
Stop filled.
But unbelievable. Yeah, nice done. Nicely done, Mr. Wall Street. Nicely done. Hey, Design Knob. Good to see you. Where you been? I thought there was not going to be any more rug pulls. Exactly. I mean, honestly, after that, I mean, we can't be too surprised, but I just feel terrible. I don't feel bad for the people that kept defending them. I do not feel bad for the people that kept defending them and saying how things, you know, I don't feel bad. I feel bad for the people that genuinely got screwed. That's just, does someone know if 100 lot, does someone know if 100 lot got paid? Man, I really hope he got paid. That is so wrong if he didn't. I mean, maybe I shouldn't say it's confirmed before officially, but according to I mean, their Discord right now is just an absolute bloodbath. An absolute bloodbath. I mean, the mods are I don't think the mods are even in the Discord anymore because anything and everything goes. Unbelievable. I mean, they actually are shutting down. No way this happened just now. Oh my stars. What is going on here with this market? I really wish I would not have seen that just now. Oh, wow. I mean, talk about getting stopped. Oh my stars. I can't believe that. There's no way. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Holy wow. Man, I just, wow. That is crazy. I can't believe it. Yeah, design. I feel bad for the people that joined originally and did everything right and then had approved payouts denied. I feel bad for those people. People that kept defending FTT after that happened and kept buying accounts after that happened. I don't feel bad for that. I don't feel bad for those guys. I mean, if you were that dumb, then you should probably lose a little bit of money. It's just I'm sorry to be blunt, but that's the truth. Everybody's going nuts in the Discord. Yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy. I mean, there were red flags everywhere. I mean, we've talked about it here. Like yesterday, like last night, the last 2 nights, when they canceled doing payouts because of merchant freezes, dude, the writing was on the wall. Like it was so apparent. I mean, like I said this morning, the only way FTT survives is if they get bought out by someone else. But I mean, it's just a perfect textbook example that I mean, this Scott guy is just a flat out idiot, has no idea what he's doing. And he was, I mean, he's just a cocky and just, he's deranged. But wow. Yeah, Sarah's trading. Thank you. That is just, it still is kind of shocking to me that it happened this fast. But again, it's kind of shocking at the same time. It's not really shocking because once you literally rug pulled 10 million in payouts because you couldn't afford to pay them, and these were approved payouts. Like once you do that, you should be done. Like if FTT would have survived that, it would not have been good for the industry either. But them shutting down like this is also not good for the industry. But no one that rug pulls 10 million in approved payouts should survive. It should not happen. No one should be buying accounts when someone does that, period. But wow. Wow, wow, wow. And their Discord is officially shut down. Wow, it's just sad. It really is sad. The last message on Discord was disappointed the staff didn't at least warn us. WTF. I lost faith in humanity today. I mean, where is Scott? Where is Scott? That guy needs to be caught and that guy needs to be put in jail. Period. That guy is probably, he is running for another country, guaranteed right now. But hey, we tried to warn people from the beginning, but hey, some people don't want to know. Some people would rather not know. Which company is that? Fast Track Trading. Yeah, I know. His address was online. I would recommend that he probably should maybe go, I don't know. I'm not sure I'd stay there. Probably not a great idea. I want to see, is their website still up? It is. Unbelievable. And the sad thing about it is everyone that paid through crypto or you paid through ACH or electronic transfer of funds, those, there ain't no getting that money back. Remember when we were talking about how, hey, you know, just don't do it. Like, dude, there is only one reason why a company would not offer credit cards. The only reason that they finally did offer credit cards is because they realized that they needed the cash flow and they were too desperate. They had to do it. Timbo, yes, Timbo. Hang on, let me make you a mod. You deserve it. You should be able to post a link, Timbo. But it is still a, I mean, that is crazy sad. Now everyone wants to be a mod. Yeah, Sarah's trading. Am I saying your name right? I feel like I'm not. I'm sorry if I'm not, but it's just crazy, man. Yeah, I was looking at that. Yep. I mean, this guy's been buying sports cars and watches and Rolexes with your guys' money. That is, and the guy, where I want to see like damn good trading. I want to hear what he's got to say because I was in his chat the about like a couple days after the $10 million rug pool, and there was a guy. It was Josh Future Strategist. I remember seeing him comment in other videos as well. I think he's commented on my channel too. But he was challenging damn good trading on the rug pull, and it was like the gaslighting that that guy did was just insane. I mean, despicable. I'm sorry, but it's this that was just crazy. Anyway, man, I'm just frustrated now. I'm frustrated. That's just Dream Chaser. Will you? Yeah, I think I do remember seeing it, and it was just crazy. Like, dude, I mean, that was something else. I'm sorry, but you don't. I mean, people had literally approved payouts. The funds were already taken out of their account, which means FTT agreed that those guys all followed the rules. And then they just denied 10 million in payout because they didn't have enough money. Like, holy cow. And then people thought that was fine. That is what I don't understand. Like, obviously the direct to funding model that they had was just I mean, it was pretty easy to see. I mean, I could see it from a mile away, but you cannot you just cannot expect to have a prop firm with 20 accounts, direct to funding, with no commissions and no, no scalping rule, literally no rules. You cannot expect to have that and survive. It's just not going to happen. If only. Wow, look at this market go now. I'm sick of it. This is actually insane. Hang on. I'm going to make a phone call. Give me a second. All right, I'm back. Yeah, Daryl, we've been talking about it. They put too much hope in a guy that proved he's untrustworthy and a douchebag. Exactly, hard hat trading. Exactly. I mean, just look at Scott's track record. Like, look at Scott's track record. I mean, the guy's a criminal and a crook. And then it's just, I mean, I'm all for giving people second chances, but when you repeatedly show that you're still that same person, you don't trust those people. You just don't. Hey, how we doing, Not? Someone needs to hack his Twitter and change his name to #1 scammer. Yeah, supposedly Scott got the biggest payout of anyone at FTT. But man, we really got screwed here if we're just gonna be blunt about it. Look at this. I'm disgusted. How in the world does this happen? Right now I'm not in a good headspace. I'm actually not sure I should trade. I'm just so mad. This is so wrong. Like, unbelievable. Like, I'm upset. I'm upset, and I never even bought an account at FTT. And I'm like, I can't imagine how upset some people have to be that literally we were not doing anything wrong. And now, like, that's just, hey, bud. What are we doing? Hey, hi, Cody. Oh, my. Oh, I love
This is Cody's phone.
Is that your phone?
Yeah. Okay. You're selfie.
Okay.
I'll show my phone. Turn it up.
Yeah.
And turn down.
My buddy was waiting for 56K. That's what I mean, equalizer. Like, some of the money that these people were waiting on was life-changing money. Do you remember, guys, do you remember the guy Nacho? Nacho had $2 million in profit. Never got it. Like, dude. Ay. Again, but this is again a lesson.
Hey, Dad, let me
Yes,
put
Cody.
my phone right here. And
Okay, thank you. But this is a lesson. Don't, like, if you want to try out new prop firms, like, I'm not opposed to trying out new prop firms, but dude, keep it reasonable. New prop firms, especially if the rules, and it's just not worth it. Like, it's not worth the heartache and the pain and suffering. Really, serious trading, serious trades. Your buddy was waiting on 126,000. Yeah, Jesse. Nacho had $2 million in profits. I know he did at one point. And okay, my argument has always been. You little shorty.
Yeah.
My thing has always been that there's enough reputable prop firms in this space that you don't need to go out to the new prop firms. You really don't. You don't have to go with Apex if you don't want, but Top Step, there's enough other reputable prop firms that you don't need to go and waste your money on some of these new prop firms. It's just not worth it. But that just sucks.
I love you.
Oh, I love you too, bud. All right, guy. I'm gonna.
Dad.
I'm gonna take a step.
Dad.
What?
I'm watching on my phone. I'm watching on my phone.
Okay. No, don't lift it up. Nope. That makes it. That ruins it. Oh.
Why, Daddy? Why, Dad? Why, Dad? Why, Dad?
Why? Everything is why with you. Go. Huh? I'm gonna get you.
Why, Daddy? Why,
I'm gonna get you.
Daddy?
Okay, I'm going to, this guy needs to be, you need to get changed. Yeah. You need to get changed, don't you? All right, guys, I'll be right back. And I'm back. Uh, Man, I don't know what. I'm very sad. Day like today, I should be making bank. Oh. Yeah, Adam, if the money was taken out of the account and you were approved, you will still get paid. Yeah, hard hat trading. It's crazy. Uh-oh. Yeah, Aceling. I mean, it's just sad. It's just overall, it's the whole FTT situation is just very sad. It is very, very sad. And like I said, I feel terrible for the traders that are innocent. I don't feel so bad for the traders that kept defending FTT after they rug pulled 10 million in payouts. And after all the red flags, those guys, that's what kept the ship afloat way too long. Is it worth complaining to the CFTC? I don't know. I mean, I'm sure people are going to do it. I saw in the very end of the Discord, FTT Discord, everyone was spamming the link on where to file a complaint. Kiss me, I cooked. Damn Good Trading was still pushing FTT literally a day ago. Hang on. Whoops, sorry about that. I was muted. But yeah, hard hat trading. I agree. They were the same ones bashing Apex. Yep. Which, I mean, Apex hasn't been perfect either in the last 4 months. Obviously, they haven't. They have some things they need to improve on yet. I'm not saying that at all, but once you rug pulled $10 million in payouts, approved payouts, once you do that as a prop firm to keep this industry sound, if a prop firm does that, they should not survive. Like, they shouldn't. We as consumers, and I feel like we as affiliates, and there is more on us when we see something like that. Like, I cannot understand why you would continue to promote after something like that happens. Like, that is unacceptable. Oh man, I need to get in on this, don't I? Oh man. All right, trade. Help me feel a little better and give me a just I just want a nice trade. I'm not asking for much. Or maybe I am asking for too much. I wonder what Patrick Whelan will have to say about this whole FTT debacle. Oh, go figure. I'm gonna get stopped out here probably, huh? Yeah. Rip. All right, guys. I need to. If we get stopped out here, I need to walk away. I need to walk away. Yeah, Warrior. They were beefing on Twitter and then it disappeared because they worked out their differences. So I'm not sure what that means, but. And we get stopped out. Yeah. It's one of those days. One of them days. All right, if this goes higher now, okay, we need to shut down this trading for the day right now. We need to do it right now. I can feel myself the very, very beginning stage. The very beginning stage of going on tilt. I don't want to talk about it. Oh, this is brutal. Okay, folks, we can't go until we've officially shut down our trading for the day, okay? We cannot go until everyone is safe. The little kids and children are safe now because right here, this and this happening twice in a row, yeah, that'll get me. That will put me on tilt. Not today. Not today, it won't. My ever first payout is gone, Alwyn. I'm so sorry, man. For those that have been affected with FTT, if you're one of the guys that were adamantly defending FTT after they rug pulled 10 million in payouts, that's on you. I don't feel bad for you. If you were defending FTT after they did that, I really don't feel bad for you. But if not, and you just got shafted, I do feel bad. And I don't know what to say. It sucks. Yeah, Brad, the market today is just absolutely taking me out to the woodshed. Yep, that's a good way to look at it, Alwyn Peterson. Can't wait for Jay's stream. Yeah. You know whose stream I'm going to be interested in hearing? Damn Good Trading. I'm going to predict that he does not stream today. I'm going to predict he's just going to kind of disappear for a little bit. It's just crazy. Really, GLM? Hey, you're one of the lucky ones. Yeah, I mean, that's fine, Coach Captain Crunch. If you, it is, yeah, it is what it is. But Hang on. I need to take this phone call. Look at this. Scott's Twitter is gone. He deleted his Twitter account. The guy is bailing. The guy has jumped ship. Yep, he's probably got his Lambos and his watches, everything loaded up, and he's probably going for another country somewhere. It's just crazy that you can get away with it. I really hope he does not get away with this. Yeah, they already locked down the FTT Discord. It's over. Hey, Rosie Rose, how we doing? What did Damn Good Trading do? I mean, after FTT rug pulled 10 million in approved payouts, he was continuously defending that. He was defending it and gaslighting people when they were calling him out for it. And telling people they need to learn how to trade and blah, blah, blah. People that are complaining and moaning, and anyone that was moaning and complaining about FTT, they're just losers. That's what he called them. Guy should delete his whole channel. Yeah, it's getting crazy. Do you have any plan to make a video on how to use prop firms and the rules? I mean, I have some. I don't know. I guess I could. I don't know. I actually need to walk away, guys. I need to walk away. I am not in the good place to be trading, period. Not in a good space to be trading. And we'll take her loss like a man. Today was just one of those days where, yeah, we got shafted. Just bad trading. Bad trading and a little bit of bad luck. Yeah, but he's not doing, yeah. Yeah, really, Crypto Crop? Just need, I mean, some of these guys need to be held accountable to in a sense of, I don't know. I don't know. Matt from My Funded Futures is having a field day with this. Oh man. What would be your number 3 and number 4 prop firms, K Trader? I mean, I right now I would say like Top Step is legit, Apex is legit, My Funded Futures legit, You Profit I feel like is legit. You Profit is more like, I question a little bit that the rules that they currently have is sustainable. Um a little bit, but they've been around for a while. Buellnox right now, I wouldn't trust Buellnox. They just deleted a guy's account with 400,000 in profit for no reason. And Take Profit Trader is good. Like, there's enough legitimate prop firms out there that you don't need to be in putting your money in to these risky, too good to be true kind of prop firms. It's just not necessary. But I'm sad. I'm sad for the people that really got rug pulled. Does anyone here, like, I'm genuine, like, the one guy that keeps coming to my mind is 100 lot ES trader. Does someone have contact with him? Almighty, do you have contact with him? Like, I just, oh, that guy's been through, he's been through a lot, and he finally got a payout with FTT, and just, I mean, do I have any doubts with Apex? I think they need to fix some things. I think some of the things I think they need to fix, but no, I mean, I think they'll be fine, but they have some bugs that they need to work out. How much are they really out? Oh, you mean like, yeah, I know what you mean, Mr. Wall Street. But see, the thing is, with direct to funding accounts, and that those are way more expensive. So if someone bought if someone bought 20 accounts, that's quite a bit. That's quite a bit of money. But one thing that Apex has definitely improved on that I like seeing is faster approvals and faster payouts, which is really good. The approval process and everything involved in that, I feel like, is where some things need to be ironed out yet. I can't stop thinking of how iconic it is. He ran his sales for his wedding for all types of stuff, promised all types of stuff. He even said if Trump wins, 55% off and everything. Yeah. Remember the sound clip of Scott saying, "I promise I will never rug pull your payouts again." Oh man. The fact that he said that is everything you needed to know. It's just crazy. It didn't fool you. Well, I'm glad to hear. Almighty, do you have contact with, or I feel like someone here, maybe it's not you, Almighty, but do you have contact with 100 lot ES trader? Didn't promise he won't rug pull the whole prop firm. True. We didn't read the fine print. Is Apex coming with direct to funding? Supposedly that's happening. I'll be very, very curious what kind of I want to know what the prices are going to be and if they're going to do sales on the direct to funded accounts. I assume they will not. What are your thoughts on Apex plans to convert traders to live accounts? R. Crawford, I think it's very important they do that. I think going forward, every prop firm is going to have a clear path to a live account. That's going to have to be. Like, there's just no other way around it. How could someone lie like this? Well, it's probably the same guy that didn't pay his rent and then stole property from that same home that he didn't pay his rent. Probably a guy like that has no problem lying. You got to understand, some people are just bad people. And they will say whatever they need to say to get people to trust them. Usually the people that are really good scammers are also really good at lying. You can't believe, you got to take what you see, not what you hear. You got to look at what you see and what the guy actually does and not what he says. And if you looked at that way, you would have ran. Hey, bud. What's up, bud?
You.
Hey, were you looking for me?
Yeah.
You couldn't find me.
Yeah.
Well, I'm sorry, bud. Yeah, Neil's trade. I'm sorry, man. You forgot to mention when he talked about the beach house, he said that's the only one he could find. Yeah, exactly. Like I said, they will lie. I remember when FTT came out and he came on Damn Good Trading's channel. When he came on Damn Good Trading's channel as an interview, in that interview, I knew this guy was full of it. I knew he was full of it and I didn't trust him one bit. Because he was telling Kyle how he invested and they have invested $800,000 into their you silly boy. How they invested $800,000 into their platform. He get you. You're just going to, but you can literally anyone can set up. All right, Cody.
Hmm?
What are you gonna do? Huh?
I'm really hungry.
Are you hungry? Okay, let's go get you lunch. By the way, the wife is going back up to Ohio today. So she's not here. That's why we should just go. I need to just. Oh man, look at this market. It's so frustrating. This is a very frustrating day for me. Ugh. All right, guys, you are silly. All right, guys, I'm gonna end it here. I'm again just, yeah. Take care, everyone. All those affected by FTT, I feel bad for you guys. I'm sorry. I wish it wouldn't be like this, but it is what it is. I guess we'll see what happens going forward, but it's a crazy day, man. It's a crazy day. All right, Cody, can you tell everyone bye?
Bye.
All right, everybody. Take care, everyone, and God bless.